Why do you look so offended by your coffee?
Because it tastes like disappointment with extra foam.
That bad?
Paul, I asked for caramel. This tastes like someone whispered the word caramel near the cup and walked away.
Maybe the barista believes in manifestation.
Well, I believe in refunds.
You know what your problem is.
I'm listening carefully so I can get angry correctly.
You expect too much from mornings.
Of course I do. I wake up every day hoping to become one of those productive people who jog at 6 a.m.
Those people scare me.
Same. If I see someone smiling before sunrise, I assume they're hiding something.
Anyways, how's work going?
You know what? My boss said, "We're like a family here."
That's never a good sign.
Exactly. 5 minutes later, he gave me 3 extra tasks and emotional damage.
Classic workplace culture.
Yesterday, he scheduled a quick meeting. It lasted 2 hours.
Quick meeting is corporate slang for cancel your happiness.
Don't get me started on my co-worker Daniel.
What did he do this time?
He sends emails that say things like, "just circling back."
Paul, nobody is circling. Just say what you want.
Business English is basically people trying to sound polite while causing stress.
Exactly. Instead of saying, "Where is the file?" they write, "Gentle reminder regarding the document discussed previously."
Sounds like a legal threat. Honestly, remote work changed people.
It really did.
Last week I attended a meeting where one guy clearly just woke up.
How could you tell?
He forgot his camera was on and spent 5 minutes staring into space like a confused goldfish.
That's still better than me. I once joined a meeting muted for 10 minutes while passionately talking.
Speaking of embarrassing moments, I waved at someone yesterday. They weren't waving at me.
A classic human tragedy.
I had already committed to the wave, so I turned it into a fake stretch. My shoulder still hurts.
Survival instinct. True. By the way, my mother called me this morning.
Let me guess. She asked when you're getting married.
Before saying hello.
Impressive speed.
Then she asked why I sleep late.
Mothers treat sleeping like a criminal activity.
She said, "Successful people wake up early."
Tell her raccoons also stay up all night, and they survive perfectly well. I tried cooking recently. The smoke alarm started cheering for itself.
I actually enjoy cooking.
Really?
Yes, until it's time to clean afterward.
The kitchen always looks like a crime scene.
Exactly. One peaceful dinner somehow creates 17 dirty spoons.
Adult life is strange.
Very strange.
As a kid, I thought adults had everything figured out.
Same. Now I realise everyone is just tired and pretending to understand taxes.
Honestly, if someone explains taxes confidently, I automatically trust them.
They could steal my wallet and I'd thank them for their leadership.
Do you ever walk into a room and forget why you went there?
Constantly.
I stood in my kitchen yesterday like a lost tourist.
Your brain just closes unnecessary tabs.
That's great.
Unfortunately, sometimes it closes important tabs too. Oh, and I started going to the gym again. I made eye contact with a treadmill and suddenly felt judged. Gyms have a weird atmosphere. Everyone either looks extremely confident or extremely confused. There's no middle ground. A trainer told me, "Feel the burn." I was feeling death, Paul.
Small difference. You know what's unfair? Grocery shopping.
Why?
I buy 5 things and somehow spend half my salary.
I went in for bread yesterday and left with candles, snacks, and emotional regret. Also, why is healthy food always expensive? Because happiness has a price. I want peace, silence, and 8 uninterrupted hours of sleep. What about you?